How do I send an email from a non-Gmail account using the appengine? I have successfully sent an email using the Google App Engine. However, the only email address I can get to work is the Gmail address I have listed as the admin of the site. I'm running the app on my own domain, bought and maintained using Google Apps. I would like to send the email from my own domain. Here's the code, or something similar to it. And the error I get when I try to send it from my own domain is invalid sender error, unauthorized sender. I own the domain. I do in fact authorize using my domain to send the mail. I just need to know how to convince the App Engine that this is true.
That's a restriction of App Engine's Mail API. The sender address can be either the email address of a registered administrator for the application, or the email address of the current signed-in user, the user making the request that is sending the message. If you've got Google Apps running on that domain, you should have, or be able to create, an @thatdomain.com email addresses that you can register as an administrator of the App Engine app in question, which will then let you send email from that address.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.